Turning your engine 34V19. Turning good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. Look at swollen compressor without any damage. Same as well like altimeter. And on this side everything's good. Starter no broken, as you can see. As well on the gearbox without any damage. Same as well like on this side, everything's good with engine. All windows without water inside, as you can see. On the top, all connectors without any damage. Everything's good. And on the bottom, oil sump without any cracks. All leaks. And turning your engine 34V19.